Hi guys, there is another question. Configure your system so that it is an NTP client. In the exam, you will be given a URL. All you have to do, you have to put this URL going to this file vim/etc/chrono.conf. You have to put this URL here and you have to add this word server, and at the end you have to add this keyword iBus, which is for fast synchronization. And if you find any uh, official NTP server, you have to comment it out, okay, if it is not commented out. So, and after saving this file, you have to run these commands: systemctl restart cronid, systemctl enable cronid, and then run this command cronc sources, just to see that if the server is synchronized. This will tell you that it is synchronized. But at home, what you can do, you can just go to machine I show you, that first of all, you have to check that if the network connection is bridge, go to settings and it is bridge. But if it is not bridge, you have to make it bridge so that you could access the network. So my suggestion is to practice at home. First of all, run this command just to check the nick profile, and you can see we have only this nick, okay. And if you run this command, if config, it has already one IP. But I just want to create another profile so that you could utilize it for your practice, and on that nick you can configure another NTP server. So for that reason, what you do, you run this command, and now you can see that you can run again this command to see if there is another file created. You can see it's created, but all you have to do, you have to mm, do up you have to run this command to make the connection up so that you can assign another IP. Sorry, not this one. Connection up and XYZ. Okay, so if we run this command now, so we can see that our XYZ is up now. And if we see, if we check if any IP is assigned, you can see it's assigned. It's automatic, so it could be any. It's not fixed, okay. So after doing this, what you can do, uh, one thing I just wanna tell you first, and check another thing. If you have this package Coroni, it's available. But if in the exam it's not available, you have to install it using yum install, and then this package name Coroni, okay. But in our case is already there. So one more thing in your practice, what you can do, that we don't have any NTP server. So what you can do, you just go to Google and write here free NTP server in USA. Okay, if you are in other country, you can use your country name. So you have to click this site, and you will find a list of server. I'm going to copy all these server, and after that I'm going to uh, put this. I'm going to put this here. You can put anywhere, but I'm first press enter, and I'm going to put here uh, all those server lists which I have just copied, because we don't have server and in our practice we need it. So just bring it, and just put it here. And one more thing, what you do, you can you have to write that keyword which is for fast synchronization. Okay, so you can copy or type, is up to you. So I'm just typing it, and once this keyword is you put this keyword, one more thing you have to do, like as I mentioned earlier, that if you have any official NTP pool available, you have to comment it out if it is not commented in the exam even. Okay, so after this you have to save this file, and then what you have to do, you have to restart the service, run this command. Okay, run this command, restart the service, and then enable it so that it should remain boot persistent. Okay, once you are done with this, you can run this command just to check time, date, CTL. Okay, here you can see it should be yes, synchronization should be yes, and NTP service should be active. So once is this, it means you have done uh, with this question properly, and you can also run this command. Uh, Rather, you should run it in the exam. Okay, so here you can see is sync with one of the server. So this is how it should be in the exam. So this question is done, and I have just told you that you all you have to do in the exam, you only have to run I mean these commands. Okay, yeah, this part you don't have to do in the exam. This is only for your practice at home because we don't have any NTP server. So you all have in the exam you have to put this URL in this file, add this word server and this word, and comment it out. If it is not commented, save it and run all these command, and then this done. Okay, see you in the next video for another question. Bye.